Welcome to CMS MedTech tutorial series. For this episode, we are going to go through the steps of registering medical devices in Australia. The first step is of course to get a reliable sponsor to help you, the manufacturer, to register your medical device in Australia. A sponsor is an Australian term for local authorized representative for medical device. Please note that after your device is approved, the sponsor's name and address would need to appear on your product labels. Contact CMS MedTech at info@medtech.com for more information on our services as your Australian sponsor. Next, we would show you step by step how the registration is performed, even though your sponsor would be the one tasked with the submission process. Google TGA medical device registration and press the first link. You would arrive at this page. The first thing that you might want to find out is the classification of your device. This is because different classes of devices have different requirements. After determining the class of your device and whether this is a medical device or an IVD, you can proceed to submit the application via TBS, which essentially is a portal for sponsor to make electronic submission of information. We should go back to this page first. Next, you need to click Medical Device Inclusion Process. The most important document to upload for Class 1 device is the Declaration of Conformity. Click Declaration of Conformity to reach the template section. Download the required template and fill this up accordingly and upload the document via TBS. This would conclude the registration process for Class 1. However, please note that your sponsor might already requested some technical documentation beforehand to ascertain your product quality and also to prepare for non-mandatory audit. Now, for all other classes of devices, you need to click the other section shown here. You would need to submit the manufacturer evidence, which could be a EC certificate. You would also need to submit the Australian DOC as explained previously for Class 1 device. Please also note that if your product has been selected for an audit, you would be required to submit technical documentations as shown here. After the audit is completed, your product would be ready for supply in Australia. We hope that you find this tutorial useful, and if you need more information, please contact us at info@cmsmedtech.com.